Welcome to Easy Tutorial by Neha. Today's topic is Zener diode. Please do like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel so you can get updates for the upcoming videos, and also let me know in comment section on which topic you want the next video. Points to be covered in this video. What is Zener diode? Symbol of Zener diode. How does this Zener diode work? Avalanche versus Zener breakdown. VI characteristic. Applications. Advantages. Disadvantages. What is Zener diode? Zener diode is basically like an ordinary p-n junction diode but normally operated in reverse bias condition. This is an image of Zener diode, but ordinary p-n junction diode connected in reverse bias condition is not used as Zener diode practically. In last video we have studied the p-n junction diode and we understood from there that a p-n junction diode doesn't work or doesn't flow current in reverse bias condition. So Zener diode is basically operates in a reverse bias condition. A Zener diode is a specially designed, highly doped p-n junction diode. This is a symbol of Zener diode. How does the Zener diode work? The working of Zener diode mainly depends on biasing modes like forward and reverse. Once this diode is connected in forward bias condition, it will definitely work like a normal p-n junction diode. But if we connect it in a reverse bias condition or in a reverse bias mode, then a small leakage of current will flow in the diode. When a reverse voltage raises then the fixed breakdown voltage, then current flows throughout the diode. We will understand with the help of a diagram. If we have a voltage source, suppose we have a voltage source connected with a Zener diode, this is a Zener diode. We have connected the voltage source to Zener diode in reverse bias condition. As you know, the positive side of supply is connected to the cathode side of Zener diode. This is called the reverse bias condition. So suppose we have a 10 volt of Zener breakdown voltage is 10 volt. We have a 10 volt Zener diode, and if I supply the 5 volt to the circuit, if I supply 5 volt to this circuit, current will not flow. But if I will supply more than 10 volt, more than this voltage, if I supply 12 volts, suppose we are supplying 12 volts, then a current will flow throughout the circuit or, or in the Zener diode. There are two types of breakdowns in a Zener diode. First is avalanche and the second one is Zener breakdown. The VI characteristic of Zener diode, basically there are two types of characteristic. One is forward and the second one is reverse characteristic. This is a VI characteristic. In first quadrant, you will see that the forward current that is similar to the PN junction diode characteristic. When a reverse voltage is applied to a Zener diode, as we have already understood from the diagram, initially a small reverse saturation current will flow across the diode because we have connected the reverse in reverse bias condition. So a small leakage current, this one will flow. It is due to the thermally generated minority carriers. But when we exceed the voltage, supply voltage above 10 volt, suppose we have taken an example of 10 volt. So when we give supply of 12 volt, the sudden breakdown will occur, or it will be as a avalanche current.